Okay, this is our project. So this is where we implemented the rush order prices.text into a two-dimensional array. So this for loop is going through each square of the array and getting all of the contents. And then we implemented the JSON file. So this is where we're reading the file. And this is where we search through the file. We call read file in the search quote function, so it does it every time. And this is what it looks like when it's run. So if we go and add a new quote, so that could be and then number of drawers, we'll put Rosewood. And then exit. We're going to view our quote. And so this is the file that we created right here at this time. So you can see this time. And then we can do search quote. So it's first going to load all of them, but then you go and specify. So this is the one that we just created. These are our examples. That's us implementing the new stuff.